year. We know how difficult it was, but because of your guidance, we were able to make it true. You made this moving up not only important, but memorable as well, for we know that you kept a close watch and you made sure that we finished this journey. Despite our shortcomings, you never turned your back against us. Instead, you held our hands tightly and guided us to the finish line. We honor and adore you from your name, for we know you will continue to guide us in the next chapter of our life. We may be awarded and recognized this day, but the real recognition should be given to you. For everything is not possible without you guiding us through every step of the way. Lord, we offer you this important day and hope to bless everyone who are part of this journey.